Well, here we are again. They come from far and wide for this little day. Invitation only. A various day, and hopefully a few woodcock. Houdini with wings, as we fondly call him. These are the standing guns through this ride here. There's a team of beaters with dogs working their way towards them, so this could take a while. There's a few guns up the side of the wood there, including the infamous Pistol Pete, who's hiding behind the truck there. We got Mr. Tillsway there, who just managed to bag a jay. I'm not sure which eye he closed to do it, but he shot it nice and clean. He's hit. Watch him! God, it's gone right back in there. That one's down. Beaters are getting close now to the end of the drive. Might get a last few that have run on. Spring out and cover. I think that's more or less the end of that little covert drive. Bit of picking up to do now. We'll be off to the next one. Second drive. Same routine. This bank's always been quite productive, so we should see something here. And that's the end of that covert. There's been a few shots in there, and one woodcock crossed up here. There's Trevor with his secret bottle of slow. That one was shot. There he goes, Trevor. Now we're shot with reload! Trev's dog back with another one. Oh! Trevor got another one with the with a Ronald Biggs custom 26-inch. Another one. Yeah, Rob said pick out a few cockbirds. Well, that last drive was something else. There's rough shooting woodland pheasant, and then there's shooting kiwis, and I think they were shooting kiwis, I reckon. We keep an eye on Trev here with his Ronald Biggs custom. It's designed for woodland pheasant and beaters days. Pistol Pete sneaked off behind the trees to see if he can vaporise anything up there. I still don't know, there's definitely a woodcock there somewhere, but the cockbird going up through the trees, I can't see him now. He's still going. There he goes. The bird's on that edge, but he's on the drive. Oh dear. Pigeon! Woodcock! I think he got away. I've done a bit of scuggy hunting, a bit of scuggy stalking. The pheasant trying to go back there. I think he might have been hit. Come on, mate. You like some old woodcock? There he is, just fell down, look. And I think the squirrel stalking is over. First drive after lunch. Just had a bit of an alfresco lunch. Very nice too. And then we're back at it. Pistol Pete snuck off down there out the way. Found himself a little spot using his field craft. Peter's coming into view there. Got a squirrel in the bag. I suppose they all count on days like this. Ben! Come on! Northie! Got a very good chance of seeing a woodcock here. Couple of buzzards there. Old raven up there in the tree. Definitely a deer in there. It's either that or Sasquatch. There's more than one. Caught! He's gone right left though. Woodcock! There he is! He's coming out the left hand corner.
You would think I'd be loaded now, wouldn't you?
We saw 4.
Yeah,
Another drive underway. We're actually down near Chowntown now. Chowntown is a bit like that place in Beyond Thunderdome. Bit of banging away going on up there. I think there must be pigeons, I guess. Shout for woodcock in there somewhere. Yes! Woodcock! Nice shot, Trev.
Shot.
That woodcock went to the wrong place.
Go back. Fetch it.
There he goes. He's gone. He's gone back to Chowntown.
get this woodcock then. No, didn't do it. No, I know roughly where I know where it went in. Nowhere near it.
Not that time, Pete.
Hey?
Not that time. I think that's it. Another woodcock.
I didn't realise JP was here. Good job.
Be careful, Pete. He'll put something derogatory about us on there tomorrow.
Yeah, you should have it on bloody film, shouldn't he? Hey? Different back here.
You got some good pheasant shooters out there, haven't you?
Yeah.
I don't know who they are, but they're pretty good.
Like a mech, innit?
Yeah.
They had nice little flush, didn't they?
A lot of pheasant shooting going on down here.
Quite a tidy little bag for a walk about in the woods. A few pheasants, a few woodcock, a pigeon, or some pigeons, and some squirrels.